For some reason, I wanted some oxtails on a Monday. I went to HEB and picked these up. It's $7.49 a pound. So I got about 4.5 pounds. And these are really fresh. I don't like the frozen ones. But anyway, we're going to get started. I'm going to show you how I did my recipe here. I rinsed them off and make sure I got all the blood off of them. And I always use my garlic with parsley and my Tony's. So lightly season it. And if you've seen any of my videos, I don't measure anything. I'm a country boy. We just put a little season on it. It don't take much. You don't want to over season it because you're going to also have that brown gravy mix and it has season in it. So just lightly put the season on both sides. And once I do that, I'm going to put it in a pan and I'm going to brown it. And on all your beef, if you're going to slow cook any of your beef, you're going to need to brown it. As you can see, I'm putting it in here. It's going to take maybe about 5 to 10 minutes of browning these. I brown it on the front and back and also the sides. So when I finish browning, while it's browning, I'm going to go ahead and mix my gravy mix up. So I got some cream of mushroom, 1 can of that. And I'm going to put a can of water. And then I'm going to pour the brown gravy mix in, 2 packages. I'm going to whisk it up pretty good. Make sure you don't have any of the lumps in it. And you can make your gravy thick or thin. I like mine thick. So I'm going to add a little bit more water. You see another container of water here. Because it's going to get thick while you baking it. Because it's going to be in the oven at 350 degrees for 3.5 hours. So make sure all the lumps are out. And now I'm going to go ahead and saute me a little onions and some jalapenos. So, and put some jalapenos, and if you like garlic, you can do that, or you can put other stuff, but I'm just making it simple today. I just want to eat here in the next 4 hours. So once you saute your onions and jalapenos, you want to go ahead and put them on top of these brown oxtails. And then I'm going to go ahead and pour my gravy mix on there. Like I had the cream of mushroom and 2 packages of the brown gravy. And I want to make sure they're covered up. If they're not covered up, I add a little bit more water. And I'm going to sprinkle a little bit more Tony's just to give it a little flavor. I'm a southern boy and we like to add a little bit more seasoning. And I'm going to put some red pepper, cayenne. I like to spice mine up a little bit. Once I do this, I'm going to go ahead and whisk it up again and mix all the seasoning and everything in. Then I'm going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees in 3.5 hours. That's all you need. No longer, no less. 3.5 hours at 350 degrees. And about halfway through, you want to turn it to make sure everything's okay. But once you're done, this is what it looks like right here. This is my plate, and I'm gonna cut through this oxtail and show you how tender it is after 3.5 hours at 350 degrees. Look at that. That's real tender. You don't want to cook it no longer or you'll have shredded meat. So 3.5 hours at 350 degrees. My gravy is thick. If you want it thinner, just add a little bit more water. If this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day.